Hey everyone! In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to use databases in Bridge, a powerful way to organize, connect, and visualize your team's data. To create a new database, go to the Database section and click the plus button. Give it a name and, if needed, a short description. Next, you can add attributes, which are like columns in your table. Choose from types such as text, date, money, boolean, and more, depending on what kind of data you want to store. Now, here is a practical example of how databases can be used with AI agents. When building an agent, you can connect it to a database using skill block, such as database create entry block, to automatically save collected information into database. Each field corresponds to an attribute in the business card database, so a new record is created automatically when the skill runs. Once your structure is ready, start adding records. Each one is a new entry in your database. And that's your quick look at databases in Bridge, a flexible way to organize your team knowledge and make it accessible for both people and AI.